Here we go! In the shadows of the mountains where our stories unfold, the monks stood united, brave and bold. Through the trials of war, we faced the night. With heavy hearts and courage, we sought the light. From the stories of sorrows, new hope will rise. Through the pain and the loss, we reached for the skies. Our beliefs sought the King of the heavens. God had a purpose in the midst of our tears. In the journey of our lives, He calms all our fears. Fleeing through the jungles, we sought a new home. In Thailand's refugee camps, we learned not to lose hope, but have hope. Born in the rumbles, yet dreams fill the air. In the heart of our struggles, we found strength in prayer. From the stories of sorrows, new hope will rise. Through the pain, the loss, we reached for the skies. For God had a purpose in the midst of our tears. In the journey of our lives, He calms all our fears. Here we go! Phun chu phố là luôn, đừng cần vô với kỳ lúc cần gầu. Thứ đại, chọn lời biết cầm môn, tờ được mong tên. Ra từ tên nát khổ, quần vùng thay tên. Có một tàu sáng chủ văn truyền, sự kể lửa, từ ta nhô thì thay. Bên tổng môn, số lấy của sông đu. As a compass, we cross the great sea to the land of promise in America.